February 2026. China just completed a test that changes everything.
The Long March 10, 92 meters tall, 2,678 tons of thrust. This is their lunar rocket.
China's strategy is simple. Test everything. Fail fast, fix faster. And they've been doing this for 30 years.
At Max Q, the most dangerous moment, they triggered an abort. The capsule escaped perfectly.
The capsule splashed down safely. Recovery teams reached it within hours. Perfect mission.
This was China's first ever rocket recovery, first Max Q abort test. 4 historic firsts in one launch.
Then the booster turned around, reignited its engines, and landed itself in the ocean. Unbelievable.
This is the goal. Humans on the moon. Chinese flag. By 2030. But it's not just about planting a flag.
The lunar South Pole has water ice. Turn that into rocket fuel, and you control the future of space.
While NASA faces delays and budget problems, China's timeline remains steady. The gap is closing.
The Lanyue lander, 26 tons, tested in August 2025. It works, it's ready, and it's going to the moon.
The difference? China's approach is simpler. 2 launches, rendezvous in orbit, no orbital refueling needed.
Whoever reaches the moon first wins allies, trade deals, military partnerships, the future of space.
By 2030, humans will walk on the moon again. The question is, which flag will they plant first?
I'm Nadi. This is Assembly Secrets. Subscribe for more and comment below. Who wins the moon race? Now?
2027 at best.
The problem is Starship. It needs orbital refueling. 10+ tanker launches for 1 moon mission.
Each tanker carries fuel. They meet in orbit, transfer, go back for more. It's never been tested.
China's approach? 2 launches, dock in orbit, land on moon. No refueling, no complexity.
NASA's timeline keeps slipping.
China's? They hit every milestone.
2024 engines, 2025 lander, 2026 abort test.
Meanwhile, Chinese astronauts train daily. 14 candidates selected in 2025, ready for lunar missions.
Behind every rocket are humans willing to risk everything.
China has 14 new astronauts ready to go.
China even built a satellite network. Queqiao 2 relays signals to the moon's far side, always connected.
The South Pole has water ice. Turn it into fuel, oxygen, drinking water. It's the prize.
Whoever controls the ice controls the future. Fuel stations, colonies, military outposts, all depend on water.
China isn't going alone. Russia joins. Pakistan, UAE, Brazil. A new alliance is forming. The US has the Artemis Accords, 40+ nations, open cooperation. But can it compete with speed?
2 systems are emerging, one open, one closed. The moon will reveal which works better.
Project 921 started in 1992. 30 years of steady work. No canceled programs. No political U-turns.
The US? Constellation canceled. Asteroid mission canceled. Every new president changes the plan.
Consistency beats chaos. China kept going. The US kept changing. That's the real difference.
By 2035, China wants a permanent base. Research, mining, a stepping stone to Mars.
The US plans a base too. But it depends on Starship. And Starship isn't ready yet.
The moon is just the beginning. Mars is the real prize. And the moon is the training ground.
Most people don't know China is winning.
When they find out, the reaction is shock.
Space isn't just science, it's military. The moon could host weapons. Whoever gets there first decides. The clock is ticking. 2030 is just 4 years away. The race is closer than you think.
I'm your name. This is Assembly Secrets.
Subscribe now. The space race is just beginning.
But China has a secret weapon, something NASA doesn't have. Political will.
In China, when they decide something, it happens. No Congress, no budget fights, no election delays.
The U.S., Congress argues. Budgets get cut, programs canceled, elections change everything.
Chinese factories work 24/7. Long March 10 production is already ahead of schedule. American factories, delays, strikes, supply chain problems. The contrast is painful.
Industrial base matters. China builds faster because they never stop building. We did.
The average age of China's space engineers? 28. Young, hungry, ambitious.
NASA's workforce is aging. Experienced engineers retire. Knowledge walks out the door.
A generation gap in space engineering. China has youth. America has experience leaving.
China built world-class test facilities. Every component tested to failure, then redesigned.
NASA's budget, 0.5% of GDP. During Apollo, it was 4.5%, 9 times more.
Money matters. Apollo had 4.5% of GDP. Today, 0.5%. China spends what it takes.
Tiangong is complete. China's space station, fully operational. America has none.
The ISS is aging, leaks, breakdowns. It will deorbit by 2030.
When ISS ends, only China will have a space station. America will have no permanent crew in orbit.
Robotic missions paved the way. Chang'e brought back samples, tested landing, proved technology.
NASA's robotic missions? Canceled, delayed, over budget. Viper rover? Gone.
China does step by step, robot first, then sample return, then orbit, then land, then humans.
2 shadows approach the moon. One from the east, one from the west. Only one lands first.
The moon race is real. China is winning, but it's not over. Subscribe to Assembly Secrets. The future is being written now.
The moon is just the beginning. China's real target? Mars. By 2040, they want boots on red soil.
Who controls the moon controls Mars. The moon is a fuel station. Mars is the destination.
America's advantage? Commercial space, SpaceX, Blue Origin, innovation driven by competition.
China has state power. America has private innovation. 2 different models. Which wins?
Don't forget India. Chandrayaan-3 landed on moon in 2023. They're coming too.
India is the 3rd player. Gaganyaan crew capsule. Moon missions. Don't count them out.
But space isn't just science. It's military. The moon could host weapons. Whoever gets there first decides.
The moon is the ultimate high ground. From there, you control Earth orbit. You control everything.
The world is watching.
Europe, Japan, Russia, everyone knows this race changes everything.
Countries are choosing sides, blue team or red team. The moon race is creating new alliances.
Most Americans don't know China is winning.
When they find out,
Shock, disbelief, anger.
In China, everyone knows. School children learn about their astronauts. National pride is huge.
Awareness gap matters. If Americans don't know they're losing, they won't demand change.
Imagine the day after China lands. Every country asks, what do you need from us?
Power shifts overnight. Trade deals, military partnerships, space rules, all decided by the winner.
February 2026. The world changed. China proved they're ready. The question is America?
NASA knows they're behind. New plans, new urgency. But can they catch up in time?
Catching up is hard. China has momentum. The US has complexity. Momentum usually wins.
The Space Force is watching. Every Chinese launch, every test. They know the stakes.
Every move China makes, America watches. But watching isn't the same as winning.
This isn't your grandfather's space race. It's slower, more complex, but the stakes are higher.
The next generation is watching. They'll decide where humanity goes next.
Space inspires. It always has. The question is, which flag will inspire them?
The countdown has begun. 2030 is closer than you think. The race is almost over.
4 years. That's all that's left. 4 years to decide who leads humanity to the stars.
Everything is at stake. The future of space, the future of humanity, the future of power.
Humanity faces a choice. Which path will we take? The answer comes in 2030.
2 flags, 1 moon, 1 future. The question remained, who plants theirs first?
I'm like, this is Assembly Secrets. The space race is real. China is winning, but it's not over. Subscribe now.